Welcome to Doodle. In this video, we'll master the Material Editor, your hub for naming, styling, and managing materials used across your process flow. Opening the Material Editor. Click the Material Editor button on the toolbar. This is the Material Editor. The table has 3 columns: Name, Style, and Export. Here you can rename materials, open the Style Editor, and control whether each material appears on the material legend of the exported PowerPoint and PDF files. Adding a new material. Click Add to create a new material. Doodle assigns a unique ID, a default name like Material 1, Material 2, etc., and a default solid style with a color chosen by Doodle. Renaming materials. Rename a material by editing the Name cell. Names must be unique. If you try to duplicate an existing name, the editor warns you and restores the previous value, so your list stays consistent. Delete material. Select the material or materials you wish to delete and click the Delete button. Editing the style. Click the Style cell to open the Material Style dialog. This dialog shows 4 tabs: Solid, Gradient, Doped, and Poly. Each tab comes with controls and a live preview at the bottom. Solid. Solid is the simplest. Pick a single color for the material. Click the Color button to choose a new color. The preview updates instantly. You can click the Pick Screen Color button to select a color from anywhere on the screen. Gradient. Gradient blends 2 colors. Set color 1 and color 2, then tune angle from 0 to 180 degrees for direction, transition for how soft the blend is, offset for where the blend sits. The strip preview shows exactly how your gradient will render. Doped. Doped adds speckled grains of the second color inside the first. Use density to control how many grains appear and grain size to control their size. The Pick Screen Color button can be useful here to make sure the background color matches the color of your base material. For example, select the silicone color as the base of doped silicone style. Poly. Poly simulates a polycrystalline look. Set the grain size to get coarser or finer crystallites. Click OK to apply the style. The Material Editor's Style button refreshes to your new preview. Doodle keeps these style parameters and uses them to render thumbnails and process previews consistently. Toggle Export to include or exclude that material from exported material legend. Use Save to export your current materials as FDMAT file, including IDs, names, styles, and export flags. Use Open to import a previously saved list. When you click OK, the Material Editor applies the material styles to your structure immediately. Defaults and fallbacks. Good to know. Doodle is installed with a short list of default materials. The default materials are saved in a file called defaultmaterials.fdmat that can be found under the Utilities folder in Doodle's installed directory. If you find yourself adding the same materials to every project, consider overwriting the defaultmaterials.fdmat file with your expanded material list. That's the Material Editor in Doodle. You're now ready to manage and visualize materials with style.